Here we are, Rico Italia Eats, and today we're going to share with you an easy and simple method on how to make tortilla chips. Simple, easy, quick, and fast. And you can have these with your various dips. You can, your children would love it. You can season these any way you like. I do with sea salt or Himalayan sea salt. You can season it with any spice that you like. You could do it with sugar and cinnamon if you like. And so whatever you desire. And as you see pictured there, we had this with our homemade guacamole. So you can do many different various things with this. Many different ideas that you can conjure up and serve these chips with. It's alternative to paying the expensive prices that you see on the store shelves. So without further ado, let's get into this video.
Corn tortillas, yellow. Corn tortillas, white.
For starters, we'll cut our tortilla patties in half, and then we'll cut them in half again, forming triangle shapes. And this is what they should look like when you're finished.
Triangles like this. Little triangles like such. Now we're just gonna lay these out.
We'll lay the triangle-shaped tortillas onto both of our pans, and we'll put them into the oven on 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 5 minutes. The tortillas are in the oven, and that's where they'll stay for the next 5 minutes. The objective here is to dry them out.
Alright, these got a little browner. I got tied up doing something. They got a little browner than what I would like, but it's okay. They're all pretty dry. They feel really dry. So, alright, we're going to throw these into the oil next. Yeah, they're pretty crispy right now.
Into our oil, the tortillas go. Fry these on a medium heat and turn them occasionally so that they become brown on both sides. Fry until they become golden brown. And as you can see, they have developed a nice golden brown color. We'll add another batch and we'll repeat this very same process. This here is our last batch. Next, we'll give them a few sprinkles of sea salt.
Here's our chips. Nice golden brown color. And nice and crunchy, as you can hear. Oh yeah.
And it's just that simple to make your tortilla chips at home. You can serve these chips with guacamole. You can serve them with refried beans. Or you could serve them covered in refried beans with melted mozzarella. That's going to wrap up our video. Please like and subscribe. And don't forget to hit that bell notification as well. Comments are encouraged. And thanks for watching. But most importantly, don't forget the bon appetit, peoples. To bon appetit!